Let's see. All right, good morning. Time check, it's 6:34 a.m. In my time zone. It's Sunday, March 31, 2024. So it's the last day of the first quarter. So manang first quarter, manang March. Clear kayo. I'm gonna do another video for our investing series for our portfolio I fully disclose. It's called BRICE Capital. So let's start. So in this video, I just want to run over on some mga current updates sa portfolio from the last video. First things first. So the total value of the portfolio is now at 14,191, and day change is $52, and dito sa position is mas accurate kung nakadali sa positions. So disclosure lang, dili ni siya investment recommendation. Kaning stocks na akong gipili is I've done research on it as well. Ang mga buy and sell na ako is I have my own reasons too. And also, I don't manage outside money. It's just our own money that I manage on this portfolio. And also, this is just a part of our net worth. Wala na ko siya delete ni mo ang life savings. There's like other portfolios that I manage as well. So first things first. Let's just do the current values. It's account value is 14,191. Total cash na wala na to nabutang sa equities, wala na to na invest is 3,251. Cost basis atong nagasto sa mga equities is 9,539, and then the total market value is 10,939. The total return is $1,400 or 14.68% from the cost basis to the market value. So top holdings is Qualcomm, SPGI gihapon, and microchip microchip holdings, and Texas Instrument, and then MSCI, Paychecks, and Starbucks. So portfolio performance so far for the first quarter, so year to date na lang is from January to March 30. So our account gained $636 from January 1 to March 30. And cumulative return nato is 4.78% as compared to the S&P 500, which was returning 10.56%. So we're still lagging from the S&P 500. Underperformed yabanta, but it's okay. We will rebalance na mga buy and sells and changes na itong buhatan in the next few quarters. So history, I will just show you the buys and sells and some readjustments for the month of March para dali lang. So transaction types, I'll just do electronic transfers, dividends, deposits, and I just put withdrawals, but I'm not planning on withdrawing any money on this portfolio soon, like years and years pa. So this is a long-term portfolio, so I'll use the capital for reinvestment only. Date range, current month for the month of March. So unsa hitabo from March 1 to March 31. So I'm just gonna put the date, filtered by date mainly. So as I've said in the previous video, ang plan for this portfolio is to invest every paycheck, invest around $250 um, every paycheck. And then mga portfolio holdings, I'm not gonna hold more than, I'm thinking more than 30, or nara siya sa dapat, nara siya to 30 or to 35 range, and then I'm gonna hook it with an ETF, which is VOO and SCHD. So anyways, March 1, mainly mga reinvestment lang of shares. So they have here in the US, mga brokerage accounts, they have this dividend reinvestment dividend reinvestment program, whereby kung nakadawat ka dividends from the companies, they would just like reinvest it on the current, or buy more shares on the current market price. So mo ni siya na ay qualified dividends, so gi-reinvest lang nila, hindi palit nila og shares. So nakadawat tawag like this, 59 cents ang share ang dividend, so gi-reinvest lang nila sa back sa company. Aflac, MSCI, Intel, natay dividend from Pfizer as well, $1. Sa Ally Bank, transfer atong March 4, I think paycheck ni, nag-transfer ko $250, and then dividends na reinvestment lang from Church and Dwight, Aflac, Pfizer. So atong March 7, we bought Intel, 3 shares, $138 worth. We bought CF Industries. I think this is a farming company. Like bought some fertilizers, mga chemicals, stuff like that. March 7th, I sold UPS. So UPS is like mail service, and I was attracted to this company because of their like dividend yield, I guess. And known siya nga delivery, mail service, package service, parcels. But recently, as an investor, as someone who's investing on their company, ang ilang mga recent moves was not that good on the investment side, because nag-increase sila of wage for their workers, but at the same time, ang ilang prices is getting like cheaper and cheaper, tungkol sa kataas na, tungkol sa competition. So I just decided to sell because of the new changes company. Dili na kay sila profitable in terms of kailangan may email, and then packaging side is a big competitor sa nila is Amazon, unless ang Amazon is na ay negotiation with them. So moving forward, I don't like their future. I don't see growth for them. Baligyan ako ang UPS, else microchip, dividend reinvestment. I sold Key Corp. Ang Key Corp company is like, I think, a real estate company. I just sold it because I was attracted to this as well because of their dividend yield. Yield, pero the stock price was falling. If I show you Key Corp, their stock price is like falling, and but the ilang earnings report as well. So nindot ang ilang dividend yield, pero that's like a value trap nga murag attractive kaya ang ilang dividend yield, but dili sustainable, and then the stock price is going down. So gikuha din nila sa equity nila sa stock price ang ilang pinabayad nga dividend. So kung after atong after atong na-realize na ko nga dili dividend yield tanan ang about sa investing on dividend stocks. So na-realize na ko this doesn't make sense, so I just sold it. RTX, this is a defense contractor company. They make missiles and like bombs there is sa US. So okay siya ang company, but I didn't like uh, the nature of the company itself. I don't wanna get involved on like kind of mga war mga inana, pero so good siya as a company, pero I don't like it ethically. I don't like it as a company. Um, tu- 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 tu. Reinvestment lang, Microsoft, MetLife is insurance. So transfer na po atong 18, $250. Um, MO, I sold MO atong March 19. MO is Altria Group. This is a maker of um, electric cigarettes o mga Juul and cigarettes as well. So I don't like, I'm not a smoker. I don't like and I'm from industry nga promotes health and fitness. I am from I work in healthcare, so I don't like nga na ako ani nga certain stock. So I just sold it. I was just interested in it because nindot ang dividend yield, and also future wise, the people that are trying to quit from smoking is like increasing. So nagkagamay ilang revenue. So ni attractive ang ilang, though attractive ang iyang dividend yield, I just don't see a good future for them. And vaping, I don't know, I don't like the idea of like giving money to a company that's kind of like ruining your health. So about Starbucks atong March 19 as well. Starbucks is a company that's like very good in terms of like strategy nila. Ang ilahang global reach po nasa sa mga other countries, and they're selling coffee but they have a large margin on each coffee. Like, I don't like buying coffee from Starbucks actually, pero I think buying coffee from Starbucks on other countries, I think even here in the US, is like in the US it's like a standard coffee, and in other countries it's like a position nga uy naka-afford ka Starbucks, and not all people can afford it, even if it's irrational to buy like sa Pilipinas it's at 200 pesos. It's irrational for you to buy coffee because ubos man ang sweldo, and there's other, it's like a status symbol kung makapalit ka og Starbucks in other countries. And in the US, mara siyang standard siya nga coffee chain, Starbucks, but they're selling coffee for like $5-6 sa grande. I think their margins, I think 300 or 400%. Pero as they operate like stores, so magsweldo sila sa mga tao, and but still dako sila margin and ang reach sa nila, and they have this strategy nga nasa mo katas like gift card, and then you just scan it, and then like Starbucks is kind of like their own bank. So they just give that gift card, and then you can reload it using your credit card or your debit card. So that's a cool trick for them to like mas convenient, but dili siya sakit in terms of like ikaw bayad ka o cash for like $5 na naman sa gift card, and then you just reload it. Di rin mo feel. Cisco, I bought Cisco. I think Cisco is not gonna go anywhere. Qualcomm, I'm big on chips. That's why I bought Qualcomm and reinvested it as well. I think that's pretty much it. I received dividends from SHD, and also dividends from VOO. So those are the ETF that I invested in. I think that's pretty much it. And so underperformed gapon yung portfolio against the S&P 500 by around 6%. In the coming weeks, in the next quarters, I will be planning to buy some of the companies I believed in, and also some current holdings as well, because I've done research today as well kung sa mga potential growth companies, and also I'm gonna sell some of the companies that are like overlapping with another company. So na ako yung mga, especially sa financial sector, na ako yung mga company na I own like multiple bank stocks na doesn't make sense. Kailangan ko, none ko yung other stocks na bank, and the other one is the leader, and then one, while the other stock that's like financial put is lagging from the competition. So I would give an update in the next few weeks every time I'm off, and if the portfolio is going to be rebalanced for the next quarter or the next few weeks. See you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.